The great people of Ghana and also the Southeast Senatorial District that are here to show solidarity, distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I feel very honored today, Wednesday, the 11th. I think it's the 11th or 12th, okay, the 12th of March. Maybe I didn't sleep on time because of all the trouble, so I'm still calculating that. It's a very special day today, this 12th of March. Special to me because we have also come in to demonstrate the reason why we're in governance. We're here this afternoon, unlike our normal programs that we normally hold in the morning, because we believe that the interests of the people should come first. And because of that, the decision of the Supreme Court, we felt there is every need for us to comply immediately, to save the state, to save our workers, to save our local government workers, not just the civil servants, even the economy of this state. For that reason, I made all frantic efforts to reach the Speaker, which I believe cannot deny that, and other members of the Assembly. I went further to send WhatsApp information to him and others, notifying them that I will be coming by 10 this morning to present the budget, so that there won't be any reason why Rivers State will be in any fix because of me, as been alleged. But it was unfortunate when we got there this morning, we were denied access, and the next story I'm hearing is that we didn't make any communication. But I leave it to God, who sees in secret places. I did everything to make sure that that situation was sorted out today. But I still believe maybe they might be instructed later. Maybe if they are instructed, I'm still ready to come any day to get this particular issue sorted out. I had to bring this because I'm aware that there was some media, something's going around the media, that there was no communication, that I was not complying, that I was not making any effort. So I feel it's an opportunity here where everybody can hear from me and understand the situation that we're facing. Like I said, nothing lasts forever. Even the greatest power, one day, will end. What is the most important is what we do with the power. And I've chosen, even if I have the power, as they claim that I don't know how to use power, I do not intend to abuse the power. Because power, when you abuse it, is what leads to this kind of situation. I will not abuse it. I will continue to work and operate with so much restraint, because I know that there is life after power. Today is very special to us because we are fulfilling one of our commitments. We are fulfilling an aspect of our agenda, Rivers First, where we promise the Rivers people that healthcare, education, agriculture, protection of life and property of our people will be paramount or take the center stage of our governance. As you are aware, the Commissioner for Health has taken time to give everyone the details. It was a facility, if I'm very correct, I'm very sure I might, I stand to be questioned if need be. But I believe that this project was one of the projects that was initiated during the administration of Rotimi and Mechi. Somehow, it was abandoned, and the immediate past administration also came in to do some work. Somehow, too, it was not concluded. When we came on board, we felt there is need to ensure that all the zonal hospitals, not just Bori, the zonal hospitals we have in Echie, we have in Ahoda, we have in Omok, we also have in Degema. The essence of this secondary facility is to reduce the pressure in the teaching hospital. If you go to the teaching hospital, you will see the number of our people struggling to get quality services. So we felt if the zonal hospitals are properly fixed, up to standard, there won't be need of this issue of scrambling to get medical attention in our teaching hospital. And for that reason, we didn't end by just fixing it the way we met it. We believe that it will be proper for this facility to be expanded, and everything that is needed in a standard health facility is provided. And I can tell you, to the glory of God, today, those things are all in this compound. The commissioner took time to enumerate the expansion level of this facility. Is to show our commitment to our people, that what is important to us is the people, the health of our people, the well-being of our people, the success of our people is what is important. God bless you, sir. I want to appeal to the commissioner and the health management board. This facility, I don't want it to just be one of those cases where we come after commissioning, we seal them. This place should be immediately opened and put to use, because all the equipment is already in the hospital. So I don't think there's any need for us to wait tomorrow or wait for 1 week. In fact, Commissioner, let this facility be open today for use.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Our wonderful youths and women continue to be strong. At times you need to lose to win. We have not lost. At the end of the day, God will give us his own victory.
Amen! Amen!
For the young lady who presented that wonderful artwork, when she said that each of the nails was a pain, it touched my soul. You won't understand. But I know that pains are for purposes. You gave me so much encouragement this afternoon and reason to continue to stand strong. I assure you, I will not let that artwork be a useless artwork. I will not let your energy to be a waste. I will continue to be strong for all of you. Let me thank you again. The details of the hospital have already been explained to you. My work is just to embellish it a little and add the political side.